I have it up. So contract aid. Okay, sorry. Yes, let me recap that. So Nori and I met at the official Biddleton during the Ethereum Denver like official hackathon, and her team built something really cool. And they built something that like applies to a lot of different bounty tracks in the cars. I was there like being like, well, this is really cool. But then I'm like, Nori, but you could have made it a little bit more like Polkadot, like because these bounties are for Polkadot in the end. But let's see, maybe if I squint, this is applicable. So we stayed in touch, and I invited her here because she built essentially a tool that can really help developers when they're committing code to projects that are maybe like that are maybe um what's the word, that contain like smart contracts that are maybe deployed in production. And if you're like committing code to like repositories that are like in production, like you might want to help developers, guide them with like running checks on the code that they commit before it's committed. So this is a kind of tool to do that. And without further ado, I'm going to give the mic to Nori. Round of applause for Nori first. Yay. Cool. Here you go.
Thank you for kind introduction, Sasha. So, our team built Contract Aid, which is automated smart contract vulnerability detector, which is integrated to your repository, GitHub repository. Means, so usually audit will be done after all implementation is done and the code is fixed, and after that, you're gonna able to be ready for audit. But in that case, there's a lot of cost and a lot of, takes a lot of time to get the result of audit. And also, so I'll just simply say, I wanted to democratize the audit market with these tools. So what the really good things is, we built GitHub app, which is integrated to the repository, and whenever the developer pushed the new update of smart contract and other files, continuously our AI-based engine to check the vulnerabilities code will go through the whole repository, source code, and get back to you the reports of severity or vulnerabilities. And also maybe I can do demo first and let me explain later on. So here the contract rate app, and you can log in with your GitHub app account. This one is mine. I'd like to use my personal one. Give me a second. I think. I think it works. And here I have a. Sorry. So here I install and authorize my app. And then we can get the result of the security level of the code, especially smart contract. But let me show you this. So let me show you how it works. So I push the new pull request to this repository. So once I open the new pull request and create pull request, so on the back end, we'll keep feeding those event requests to the webhook. And yeah, we got the webhook. And so can I try it again? Sorry. Nothing happened. Uh-oh. Excuse me. So sorry. Let me use the other pull request. Yes, I will explain what's gonna happen. Not this one. So whenever open and deopen this pull request, the data which comes to the AI engine, and then so the AI engine feed this smart contract data and see the vulnerability check and get up the report as a comment to this repository. And I guess, oh yeah, what the things is, I created for, as you can see, this one is not my report. Excuse me. This one is a real repository. I would like to show you my repository. Excuse me. So this one is the things I would like to show you. Okay. So whenever you close and open a new pull request, yes. So we are feeding the information here, and now the AI model is calculating based on the smart contract code which the GitHub repository has, and reviewing going on. And the comment says, I have reviewed provided code and didn't find didn't identify any vulnerabilities or security issue. Therefore, I cannot create the table. Okay, so this one is the AI says no vulnerability found it. So it's also good. Yes, so that's how it works. By the way, so this one is the contract template which I forked from Ink framework. And for me, this tools originally created for Solidity file, since I've been in ETHDenver hackathon. And if you're very familiar with Ink framework on Polkadot X system, please tell me more how. I really appreciate if someone tell me more about how the ecosystem works, and especially the smart contract works. Then I can create the specified AI model based for the ecosystem. And yeah, so the last future implementation, I'd like to maximize this usage of GitHub Action to be more orchestrating the managing all pull requests, and also automatic reviewing, and giving them back the report. And also tipping service to incentivize the ecosystem organically help the open source project to implement more. Yep, that's the future implementation. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Nori. We have a little bit of time for questions for Nori. Does anyone have a question? Yeah, Surak. Yeah, 1 second.
What kind of data did you use to, like find the vulnerabilities? What did you feed it into LLM?
So, I only picked up the.
Wait 1 second.
So smart contract file. So here I feeding this library dot last, which is this, because I assume that this one is a ERC20 smart contract for Ink framework, and so this is the data the AI feed. Okay, so that's point is, so I can show you how maybe run out of time. But so we built for this one 2 days based on the ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. So we basically do some prompt hacking, then saying like check the vulnerability of this contract and give up to me the severity of vulnerability. So as it is, it's just prompt engineering.
Yeah, that's awesome. And I will say, like, so they have a working LLM, but for Solidity smart contract development stuff. Any more questions on this? Oh, Daniel has a question.
Yeah, my question is a bit related to your question. Also, as the LLM is in the end in a black box, maybe as a suggestion for improvement is maybe ask for a specific vulnerabilities. Is have you checked access control, and they says yes, no, so you can see what the ChatGPT or the bot is doing, because now it's saying yes, this is free, or this is free of vulnerabilities or not, but you don't know what it's doing. So this is a problem in the sense of maybe as a suggestion is check this, tell me the result, check this, tell me the results, and you have a bit of more granularity instead of, oh, it's free of vulnerabilities, it's not free, but actually you don't know, as nobody knows, except even the OpenAI engineers, they don't know what the bot is doing. So it's a bit like more granularity on the result or with the answer of the bot.
Yep.
So that's point. I think currently I'm just asking the question, and I don't know why they detect this one is vulnerability, and sometimes they answer the different way, as you see. So this stuff is kind of for me the challenging point to resolve. One way is tuning the temperature of AI engine. Then try to get the answer more not the how can I say, the more deterministic way. Yes, so that's actually the point we are working on.
Cool. Thank you so much. I think it's a very neat project, and I hope to see it used in more repos. Cheers.